Hi, you are watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
Suddenly piece yourself back together now. What's your vision?
Di patayin ako ng Pilipino niya. Sabihin ng Pilipino, buti pa mag-resign ka kung gano'n ka.
I hope you don't mind, Mayor.
Yes, sir.
How's your health? Are you on the pink of health?
Wala, I'm dying. So, what's your problem? What's your problem?
Were you able to provide a full disclosure of
Wala na, I said, I'm dying. So, ang interesado lang man yung how's your health because gusto niyo malaman kailan ako mamatay. So, I'm dying. So, papunta mo gano'n salita. Ay, what's the other purpose for that except to write about the health? He lied about his health. Maybe because he's about to die. I'm dying. Ano man ang purpose magtanong-tanong ng gano'n? You know? Just because I'm a bad dad so that I cannot be a good president or a bad president because I'm suffering from it. Public. And so, there's always a private. There's always a private. I divulge my barret, my smoking. So, what more do you want? So, kalkalin niyo. So, the only thing there is you will present it to the public and say, he lied because he has this, he has cancer of the... Tapusin ko ng speculation nyo. I'm dying. So,
This court will report, Mayor, that you were out for 3 days because you were admitted now in hospital. Monday to Wednesday, Mayor.
really. If you can prove that, I will withdraw. I will issue a statement that I will not. Kasi yung mahirap kasi yung tao na, you know, when you know, men judge best when they condemn. Ganun ang tao, especially one of condemnation, lalabas yung pinakamagaling niya. What hospital? Puntahan natin nun. What hospital? At right pa lang, I will say, I am not assuming the presidency. Sige. Para yung speculation na yung, hindi na, padaing na yung, so kung yan lang pala ang gusto ninyo, hindi, I'm dying. Tapusin na natin yung speculation. What was the purpose of just asking the question of Desabi ko na sa kampanya, so if my health is not good. Na ito, samunin ko kayo, punta tayo sa bahay ko. Sinong magkano sa inyo? I will do the treadmill 1 hour plus. Sinong gusto mag-accept na challenge niya? Ngayon na, pagkatapos. Sige. Pag hindi ko kaya yung 1 hour, 30 minutes, kayong mag-resign sa inyong trabaho. Sige. Sige, totoo. Let's go. Nakita naman niyo yung bahay ko. Buksan ko na, then magtidig ka doon. I will do the treadmill 1 hour, 30 minutes. Sobrahan ko. Pag I falter, I resign. But if I go 2 hours, you resign. Sino sa inyo? Ikaw, you resign. Pati ito. Totoo yan. Hamunin ko kayo ngayon. At saka kung totoo yung ng hospital ako, puntay na, huwag na tayong magbulahan dito. Just, punta tayo ng hospital, tanungin ninyo lahat ng nurse, nandyan ako sa harap. O nandyan ako sa labas. Pag naano ako, I will. Hindi ako sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako mamatay pag hindi ako presidente. But you put me in a spot, kagaya ng mga bishop. You put me in a corner like that, I will react. Almost, hindi naman violent, but virulent. Hindi mo ako mapunta na kasi hindi ako yung taong almost begging for the position. Bullshit.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.